Welcome back into the channel, everyone. Doing stage 3 race London. This is going to be a flat and fast course, and this is kind of an interesting situation because I am in the C category here. Just a little backstory on that. After my last few races, which were a little bit longer, I didn't really have super high 20-minute power values. So Zwift dropped me actually out of the B category on their category enforcement and allowed me to get into the C categories. So I signed up for this C race. And then after my race yesterday, chase race that I did, I ended up having a pretty solid 20-minute power. And then it cat and forced me back up into the B categories. However, I had already signed up for this one in the C category. So it let me in, surprisingly enough, even though it said I was catted out of it. So I don't know how the results are going to work on this, but be a little interesting experiment, see exactly what it says, and just to see how much different C category is in prime time compared to B. I'd still be willing to bet I'm not up at the front on primetime C category. But anyway, let's see how it goes. Alright, so back in the C category race for the first time in a long time. Prime time though, so it's going to be fast. But it seems like from the chat, this group is all in on working together to get a really fast time, at least until the sprint. There's a good possibility I'll get watts per kg'd out on this one in Zwift power, but we'll see. Flat course on this one, I believe, so it should be plenty fast. First little incline coming up. It's where the pack usually stretches out. Get some ride-ons. Oh yeah, pack split a bunch. Wonder if that strung out bunch is gonna catch back on. I'll get on the front and pull a little bit. Looks like the group is blobbed together about as good as we're going to get it. It'll be interesting to see how the race goes on. We'll have more and more dropping off. But we got 50 plus in the front bunch. That's a big group. I gotta regulate my power a little bit. Keep surging up through the group. I don't mind getting on the front and pulling, make the group go faster, especially since I really should be racing in B. but that's going to hurt me in the end. Come on, stay with me, guys. Stay with me. This will almost definitely get me watched kg'd out. Whew. Hey. Whew. That was an effort. Strong bunch, but man, night and day difference to be night and day. It's always fun being out on the front, but it's also not real fair. So cat enforcement definitely has its place. And I doubt I'll be in another cat seat for a while. Pull again. Now I settle in, save my strength for the sprint. Hopefully we can get a fast time. 22 minutes in, 1.8 miles left. 30 miles an hour right now. Looking good. Looking real good. Yeah, this isn't fair. Definitely be. And it was at this point that I realized I went way too early because the finish line is not on this side. Too early. Let's let it go. So if you were in this race, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, comment down below what you think. 3.4, maybe I'll get watts per kg out, we'll see. Anyway, go ahead. Put the ZP stuff on there. If I get DQ'd, I'll show that up there. Until next time, catch me in a B race and enjoy your ride.